Hi. Today we will discuss 7 ways to benefit from the artificial intelligence program called Chat GPT in our practical and personal lives. Don't forget to support us by subscribing to our channel and liking this video. Now, the first way to take advantage of Chat GPT is to have it write or respond to work emails in a professional manner. All you have to do is specify the recipient and the subject of the email. For instance, if you want to apologize to Mr. Ahmed for the delay in his loan procedures with our bank, you will find that ChatGPT will write a professional email for you in proper English, and it can also write in any language you prefer. All you have to do is write in any language you want, and it will provide you with a professional email. It even offers a first draft of the email to make things easier for you, saving you a lot of time and effort, especially if you need to write to a large number of people every day. Additionally, it can read your emails and respond to them. For example, if you receive an email from Mr. Ahmed and want to respond by saying that the bank's service level is not satisfactory, this tool can read your email and provide an appropriate response in any language you choose. The second method is useful if there is an article or topic you like on a web page, but the article is a bit long or written in a language that is difficult for you to understand. In this case, you can copy the link of the article's website and go to ChatGPT, then ask it to write a summary of the article. You will need to paste the link to the site, and ChatGPT will read the article and then write a summary of the topic for you. This ability is important if you are looking for a specific topic and you are required to read many sources but want to quickly understand the essence of the matter. The third point is that understanding technology has become essential in the modern era we live in. However, sometimes we encounter problems that we don't know how to solve, such as using the Excel program for work or personal use. One of the challenges we might face is the need to write equations in Excel to calculate certain values, or writing a macro to perform a specific task, but we don't know where to start. In such situations, you can simply ask ChatGPT to write an equation in Excel to calculate a specific value for you. ChatGPT can write any formula you want, and it can also explain and teach you why it wrote the equation that way. Additionally, it can help you write programming codes in any language you want and explain the logic behind them. You can also share a code you wrote that doesn't work, and ChatGPT will identify the mistake and provide guidance on how to correct it. For instance, you can ask it to teach you how to program in Python, and it will start explaining the process step by step. The ability of ChatGPT to solve technical problems, particularly in programming, is impressive. That's why I want to make special videos about it. Write to me in the comments if you want us to do episodes on this topic, and also do not forget to subscribe to the channel so as not to miss our new videos. The fourth way you can take advantage of ChatGPT is to have it explain complex topics for you, such as the theory of relativity, or what Bitcoin is, or what quantum mechanics means. Any complex thing that you don't understand can be explained to you. If you write, for example, "What is quantum mechanics?" you will find that it has started writing a very reasonable explanation on this topic in a professional way. If you don't understand the text, you can ask it to explain it in simple terms, and you will find that it will rephrase it in a simpler way. You can also ask it to simplify something written in complex language for you. For example, I will copy a part of a PDF file from a scientifically written medical article and write an explanation suitable for a 10-year-old. You will find that it begins to explain the subject in simple language appropriate for a young child. One of the things that ChatGPT can do for you is to write a contract form. All that is required of you is to tell it who the contract is between and what its subject is. For example, if I tell it that I am the owner of an apartment and need a contract between me and the tenant, it will write a detailed contract for me, divided into clauses. Of course, I do not recommend relying solely on ChatGPT to write a contract for you. However, in practice, it can be a good start to help you organize your thoughts and identify what aspects should be covered in the contract. Once you have a draft contract, you can give it to a specialized lawyer to ensure that it is written in the correct legal manner for your country. If you are a team leader with a work team, and you need to set a timeline for a specific project, such as creating a website for a client, you can simply ask ChatGPT for assistance. For example, you could say create a schedule and timeline for the implementation of this project, with delivery set for a specific date. Also, ChatGPT can create a schedule of the required tasks to complete a project and put it in a timetable with correct dates. If you want to divide the plan into smaller stages and set short-term goals for your team, you can ask Chat GPT to divide the plan into weeks or days. One of Chat GPT's notable abilities is content writing, whether it's an article, script for a video, or advertising material for a product. To use this feature, you simply describe what you want to write and the purpose of the content, and Chat GPT will write it for you in the language you specify. You can then use this content to earn money and generate income. However, there are considerations to keep in mind. You can learn more by watching my channel's videos. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Peace.